morning, guys. It's Tuesday, June 7th, 2022. The temperature is currently 18 degrees Celsius. And it is raining. Yes, guys, I am in an umbrella outside walking in the rain. We are currently walking on the waterfront recreational trail. Usually this area is very busy with people, bicycles walking by in the great weather. But today we have an overcast day with rain. The birds are very much enjoying it. They're singing and dancing and happily enjoying this beautiful pre-summer rain, you could say. Because it's June 7th, it's getting so close to summer. So I thought I'd take you on a small little journey here, just to enjoy some of nature's beauty in the rain. Yes, guys, this is an IKEA umbrella. It's rare that I have to use it, but here I am today, using it. And there's our friend here, the red-winged blackbird. And we are down by Lake Ontario here at the mouth of Humber Bay. He's kind of circling me at the moment. I'm doing a walking video now and I'll have to attend to you a little bit later. So please don't jump on my head. The red-winged blackbirds are very protective of their young. But the umbrella, I think, is helping me because he can't come near my head. I hope I can continue this video without being harassed by this hilarious bird. Okay, let's continue walking. Enjoying this beautiful lush green. Just stunning. I'm in the path of his baby, but I'm not going near your baby. Don't worry. Don't worry, red-winged blackbird. I'm not going near your baby. Thankfully, this umbrella is protecting my head today. Actually, the robins will probably have the easiest time finding worms to feed their babies. Oh, absolutely beautiful. Beautiful and stunning. Who knows, we might even see a bus go by. If I haven't mentioned already, Humber Bay Shore is the area I'm walking in, is in Toronto, ETOBICOKE. It's an amalgamated city. Back in 1998, Toronto got amalgamated, all of the 6 boroughs into one big city. So we are in ETOBICOKE, but it is still the GTA, Greater Toronto Area. But we are technically in ETOBICOKE. ETOBICOKE South. You can see a few sailboats. I wonder if I can zoom in. I'm holding this camera. Okay, let's see. Maybe you can see them. I'm not sure. Maybe later on when I watch the replay, I'll see if you can see them. And we have this lovely ASMR sound, soothing raindroplet sound over my head from the umbrella. So that's nice. That's just wonderful. Thought maybe we'd cross over the street and look at that beautiful water fountain. See guys, a lot of puddles today because it's going to be raining all day, and apparently we're going to be getting a record amount of rain. I'm just in regular shoes. I should have probably brought rain boots. And here's the bus. Nova Elevest going by. The 66 on the 3362. I don't know if that's 2017 or 2018, 2019, but something like that. Something like that, and I'm not on it. I'm walking today, guys. Enjoying this walk and talk with you here outside. In the city that I was born in, Toronto, Ontario, Canada, and raised. I walked by here a couple weeks ago, and this water fountain was kind of stagnant, so it's super nice to see it working properly and beautifully for us all to enjoy. also wanted to show you guys, there's a beautiful scent here, and I believe it's coming from these lilacs. So maybe I can get a bit of a up close look at them and show them to you. Try to zoom in. Very nice. The scent is just heavenly. Just absolutely heavenly. And more beautiful maple trees with maple leaves in front of me, nice and shiny green with beautiful rain on them. Just stunning. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you, birdie? Oh, there you are. Bird's paradise in the rain here. They just love it. They just love it. I wanted to take the time to thank you very much for watching my video. And if you're new to my channel, feel free to subscribe, like, comment, hit the bell notification if you haven't already, and stay tuned for new videos. Have yourself a wonderful day, and toodles.